Living in a small space like a van has its challenges. Fitting everything you need into it and keeping things tidy isn't easy. Over the years, we've found ways to make the best use of the space we have, so keep watching while we share our tips and hacks.
This video is brought to you thanks to our friends at CarLock, whose advanced multi-network GPS trackers we've used in both our vehicles, giving us reassurance and peace of mind, not only from being able to track them, but also alerts of vibration, movement or engine start to give us early warning of any attempted theft. You can see our full review in the video up here. Their trackers are available in their Amazon shop linked in the video description and cost from only £30 with a very reasonable subscription cost starting from only £6.90 a month. Using the promotional code EXPLOREVANCL at the checkout will give you 10% off the purchase price, and you can get extra days free trial subscription if you use EXPLOREVANCL when activating the tracker. Our first tip involves using all the space you have. We have an oven, which we use occasionally, and at other times it is great storage. Not only for oven tins, but also storage boxes and our mixing bowl and colander, which have another useful tip to look at items that fold down or compress for storage. As we only use our microwave occasionally too, at other times it's our bread bin. If you're like us, you'll have tons of charging cables for various items. We keep ours in a simple and cheap makeup brush organiser that keeps them tidy, where we know where we can find them and separated into their different types. Most vans tend to have bits of wall or cupboard ends, and these wooden shelves from IKEA are great for making use of the space. Hooks also give somewhere to store loose items, but when you don't need them, they can get in the way. So these fold-away hooks let you have them when you need them. We also use the same in our wet room for wet coats. And while we're here, an extending washing line is great if you end up with lots of wet clothes to dry inside. And if you need extra places to hang things, these strong magnet eyelets let you do that anywhere you have some metal. When it comes to keeping the place tidy and things to hand, these cargo net pockets are great for remote controls, and we have them in the kids' bunks, which is great for books and magazines. We've tried hanging wardrobes and found them not a great use of space. Adding shelves and using boxes lets us fit more in and makes it easier to pack and unpack. Under bunk and seat storage is a great area, but if you have to get everyone to stand up to get in it, it's a pain. So adding a front entry and using storage boxes makes it easier when you want to grab something. I'm sure we're not the only ones with an odds and sods box, which being able to keep out of the way keeps things at least looking tidy. In overhead lockers, baskets help us to keep things organised and not rattle as much, and plastic shoe boxes are great to allow us to store things on top of each other without stuff getting squashed or falling out. And finally, in our kitchen cupboards, adding extra storage to the door allows us to access things easily and make use of all the space.
We hope that there have been some ideas that will help you in this video, and if you have any space saving tips or hacks to share, we'd love to hear them, so let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.